thank you for continuing your journey as we continue to learn about the Florida 4 H Standards of Excellence. Again, my name is Jessica Emerson, and I am the Levy County 4 H Youth Development Agent. In case you missed it, part 2, and just came to part 3, let's quickly go over the application process for this again. There's different levels of excellence for each age group. And so in 4-H, our age groups consist of Cloverbuds, and those members receive Cloverbud participation. Juniors, who are eligible for bronze, silver, or gold. Intermediates, who are eligible for bronze, silver, gold, or emerald. And seniors, who are also eligible for bronze, silver, gold, or emerald. And so upon turning in a completed application, members will be awarded with pins that signify their standard of excellence and a commemorative certificate that they will be given at our annual awards reception. The applications and completed record books are always due July 1st. So let's start off with our intermediates. Just like everybody else, there is a Standards of Excellence project report that is separate from any record book report that will have to be turned in as well. And so this is what that first page of that report looks like, just so you know what we're talking about. It has some stuff that they'll need to complete, and then it has instructions on how to do that as well. Again, we're going to back up a smidge back to that first little part. With the project report, these members also need to attend 2/3 of their club meetings. They have to complete a project presentation. So anytime that they talk about their project, whether it's at their club, in front of county council, anytime like that, that does that. And then these members are also eligible to complete a wildcard extra credit, which the information packet goes into that a little bit more. And that helps make up anything that they might be missing for a certain level. These members also need to serve on a committee or hold an office. And so that's needed for the very basic level of bronze for intermediates. If you do not serve on a committee or hold an office, you are not eligible for any level of the Standards of Excellence as an intermediate. So it's important that you get involved in your club. You also have to lead a service project if you're wanting that very prestigious emerald standard of excellence. And so that's, you present the idea to your club, you help coordinate everything, and then that's what helps make that complete. Talks given to community groups. So if you are invited to go speak at a Rotary meeting or Florida Farm Bureau, anything like that where you're going to promote 4-H or your project, that suffices that. And those are needed, again, for gold or emerald. Looking at the activity page, to meet the basic bronze level, these members will need to participate in at least 2 activities, complete 1 service project, and that is all that is required for bronze under the activity page here. If you want to receive silver, gold, or emerald, all those extra things will need to be completed. As you can see, there's different letters in parentheses, and so B stands for bronze, S stands for silver, G stands for gold, and E stands for emerald. And so whatever level you are trying to receive, you need to make sure that all of those have something next to them. Moving on, if you want that emerald, you're also going to need to teach something at the county level. So whether that's at county council, at one of our events, and then to get gold or emerald, you'll also need to attend a district or higher event. If you have questions about what those might be, I will be happy to help you with that. And then again, just to receive that basic bronze level for the Standards of Excellence, you have to complete at least 1 record book. If you want a chance at gold, you're going to have to complete 2 record books. And then for gold, you'll also have to have, can one 4-H'er really make a difference? which is an essay, and the information packet goes into that a little bit more. And so that's intermediates. That was a really quick run through. Again, if you have more questions, just let us know. All right, seniors. So this is where we get a little lengthy. Again, we're going to need that project report that is separate from any record book. So that is what the front page of that looks like. You'll also have to attend 2/3 of your club meetings, complete that project presentation, and then they also have the opportunity to do wildcard extra credit if they're missing one thing somewhere. As a senior, you also have to serve on a committee or hold an office. You'll have to assist in a community service project of some sort, and so you're not necessarily leading it, but you're helping with it. If you want Gold or Emerald, that's where you're going to lead a service project, and then you're also going to have to teach an activity at your club. As a senior, we expect you to participate in 2 activities to reach that bronze level. We also expect you to participate in 1 competition or exhibition. And so, again, everything else is extra and helps you get to those higher standards of excellence. To reach Gold or Emerald, you're going to need to participate in a district or higher event. And then to reach Bronze, you just need to complete 1 record book. And then if you would like Emerald, that's where you're going to need those 4 record books. You also have to complete a Florida 4-H scholarship and award application. Now, whether you turn that in or it's a good practice and it helps you receive scholarships for certain trips or events at the state level or even the national level for 4-H, or if you're an actual senior, you can qualify for scholarships for school. And that's required at any level. So bronze, silver, gold, or emerald, you have to do this as well. And then to reach the goal, you've got to do that essay on why is creating a sense of belonging important in 4-H. And then for emerald, we want our senior members to serve as a mentor, serving as a mentor for younger members. And so that peer-on-peer mentorship is super important, and it's something that we highly encourage. And so that's setting you up for that emerald status. All right, I know we went through it rather quickly. So again, if you would like applications emailed to you or the information packet, which goes through things a little bit more, please email us at levy4h@ifas.ufl.edu or give us a call at 352-486-5131.